Point number two, assertive communication techniques. What does that mean? Family, you have to be able to set clear boundaries and manage stakeholders' expectations. If we're unable to set clear boundaries, there's a saying that don't be a doormat. What is a doormat? A doormat is something that people, before they're entering your place of residency, they wipe their feet off on before entering, hopefully respectfully. But that sometimes can happen as a project manager. You want to get into the you get so caught up in pleasing your stakeholders and pleasing your project sponsor that if you don't push back and say, hey, we need to do some more homework on this, we need to do a deeper dive in this, I don't think this is going to be aligned with the direction we're going. I'm gonna have to push back on this until I can gather some more information. We're just not gonna just throw it in there just because you said. We can sit and talk through it and walk through it before we just put something out there that is irrelevant.